Hello. So in the last video, we had discussed about some common tools that we are using in the Reckon. So today we are going to discuss about passive information gathering. What is passive information gathering? It's a crucial phase in the process of pen testing or ethical hacking. It involves collecting publicly available data about a target company or an organization without actively engaging with their system. It aims to gather the insights that can aid in identifying the potential vulnerabilities and bypassing the security controls. So there are so many passive information gathering tools are available. We can use all of these tools. You can take the screenshot of this because I already discussed some tools in the in the previous videos. So I think it's not necessary to go for complete theory one. So we have to move on to the practical session. In this video, we will learn about Google hacking, then GitHub Dorking, then shutdown search engine, and some common tools that we can use in the browser. Okay, you can take screenshot of these slides. Okay, fine. So let me go to google.com. Yeah, here there are so many Google Docking cheat sheets are available. You can search it in the Google itself. I'll share this link to you. You can use this also. Okay. So for example, let me use in title index of slash. Actually, in this scenario, we are not using a particular target. We are using common all websites. Okay. So here we got a directory. Got it? Maybe in this directory consists of sensitive information such as backup file or any passwords or any Excel files. So you have to visit each folder or directory in this listed ones and check whether it is confidential or not. You can directly report it to the websites itself. Okay. So how to report the bugs to a particular company we will discuss in the last videos. Okay, bug bounty report preparation will be discussed in the last videos. So, um, yeah, it's pub file of NASA. Let me open that too. Yeah, it's nasa.gov. We can check whether is there any confidential file here. Format, CDF, CD, old one, coordinate, FTP finder, readme. We have got some versions or some file details here. Find tech notes, technical notes, models. Yeah, we got some models here. Models means the database, dataset.txt. So we can go through these things and check whether they are confidential or not. Okay, data, sounding rockets, dynamo 2, txt. It's a electrostatic analyzer data. It's some frequencies, I think, energy frequencies, I think. So you can report this to NASA itself. We got contact info here. Mission in NASA to Windy. It's maybe it's some confidential information from NASA, or maybe it's not. So we have to check or we have to go through each of this thing. Okay, I think NASA has so many this publicly disclosed directories like this. We can report it, and Yeah, you can scroll down and check whether is there any another websites which is publicly available, and you can check some university website, because most of the university are not that much 100% secure. Most of them have vulnerabilities. You can go and report that also. Let me take another talking one. Yeah, in title index of git. Okay, here we can get so many git for directory here. Dot git directory, it is the most confidential one, but in most scenario we can get those things publicly available. Configuration files are also there. Okay, I'll share this link to you. You can check, and you have to report those things to the particular company. Okay, so I'll share this link in the Discord channel. Okay, fine. Next thing is GitHub Docking. For example, let me type Reddit. Yeah, this is the Reddit site, I think. Let me check. Not Reddit. We can go for LinkedIn. Let me check. I don't know whether they have LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Yeah, this is the official page of LinkedIn, GitHub page. So here we can type for secret key. Let's enter. Here we can check whether any secret key is publicly exposed or not. If yes, you can directly report it to the LinkedIn through HackerOne platform. Okay. In most cases, they will hide it. It's okay. Let me check that. Next page. Okay, I'll check Reddit site. Reddit. Okay. Secret key. Here we got a Django secret key. You can search this also. Here we can see some Django secret keys are available. And when we scroll down, oops, 1 second, my net go down. Okay. When we scroll down, here there is another, but it's an example file. So you can report this one, first one, settings.py file, so you can report those things. But if you see the word example or test, you can't report those. Okay, because it's for test purpose only. It's demo key only. So you can report this one, Django secret key. Okay, so I'll share the GitHub docking cheat sheet also, and here you can see some PHP my admin docking. Okay, you can check this one also. 1 second, GitHub docking cheat sheet. You can search like that, and you will get those results. 1 second. It is Google. Sorry. GitHub cheat sheet. Yeah. So in this scenario, we are not using any particular target. We are doing bug bounty hunting for common websites, all websites. So you can use these things for GitHub document, these keywords. Okay, because those things are most confidential one. If those exposed publicly in GitHub, you can report directly. So in HackerOne, there's one man reported the API key exposure. One second, HackerOne. Yeah, you can also you check these sites now. It's uh, it's also available in the open source and it's easy to use. Yeah, I'll show Wayback Machine in this video. Just wait. Hackerone.com hacktivity. Okay, I think my internet connection is not too good. Okay, fine. I'll stop this video here and I'll continue from the next video itself. Okay, so today we learned about Google Docking and GitHub Docking. So in GitHub, you can use these keywords or these confidential words to expose confidential information. Okay, got it? And also in Google Docking, you can use these things. These things. It is Act 4 bug bounty hunting. Okay. And also there's advanced Google Docking commands and operators are available in this page. You can check this one too. Okay, so in this video we are not focusing a particular target. We are focusing all website. We are focusing to study more. In the next video, we will choose a particular site from HackerOne, and we can go bug bounty hunting uh, uh, on the particular website. Okay, yeah, my net got down. That's the issue. Fine, it's no problem. I'll upload another video today itself. Okay, thank you.